Hare Krishna, hello everyone. Myself Manasvi Birajdar from grade 10, standing before you to explain the topic, the endocrine system. So first of all, let us understand what do we mean by glands. Glands are the organs that produce hormones inside the human body. Now, there are majorly two types of glands that are endocrine glands and exocrine glands. And today we'll be discussing about the endocrine glands. So, first let us know what is the endocrine system. The network of endocrine glands that produce hormones is known as the endocrine system. So you must be thinking, what are the endocrine glands? The endocrine glands are the type of glands that do not require any duct to release the hormones. Instead, they use the bloodstream to release the hormones inside the human body. Now, there are some endocrine glands that we'll be discussing. First is hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is located at the base of the brain. It releases hormones such as oxytocin and TRH, and its main function is to control the pituitary gland. Next is pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is located under the hypothalamus. It releases mainly two hormones, that are the luteinizing hormone and the growth hormone. The growth hormone released by the pituitary gland is responsible for the growth of bones inside the human body. Moving forward, there is thyroid gland. This gland is located in the neck region of the human body, and this gland produces thyroxine hormone that controls the metabolism rate in the human body. Next is adrenal glands. These glands are located above the two kidneys, and they produce hormones such as adrenaline, cortisol, and aldosterone. Now, the adrenaline gland is mainly released in the human body when a person is extremely excited or extremely happy. Next comes the pancreas. Pancreas are located below the stomach, and they produce hormones such as insulin and glucagon. The insulin in the body makes sure that the blood sugar levels in the body are decreased, whereas the glucagon acts the opposite. It makes sure that the glucose levels are increased in the human body. Next is the thymus gland. Now this gland is located below the chest. This gland releases a hormone called as the thymosin hormone. This hormone checks that the immune system of a human body is developed perfectly. Moving towards ovaries. Now, there is an exception for this gland. These glands are just present inside the females, not in the males. This gland produces two hormones, which are progesterone and estrogen. The progesterone checks that the maintains the lining of the uterus during pregnancy or the menstrual cycle or of females. And the estrogen, whereas, develops the female sex organs or the female features in the females. Next comes testes. Now, this testes produces the hormone called as testosterone, which makes sure that the male organs are developed perfectly inside the body and the male features are also developed. That is all from my side. Thank you.